Good morning. Let's do a quick introduction, shall we? Okay, it's very simple. Yeah, just let me know your name and where you're from. Oh, hi, Brandon. Brandon from Malaysia. Yeah, and please introduce yourself. Yeah, just give me your name and where you're from. Okay, hi, good morning. Oh, Valerie from Malaysia. Okay, come on, introduce yourself. Do a quick ice breaking over here. I am Jade of Titan for Malaysia. How about you? All right, good morning. Selamat pagi, Eric. Okay, thank you for your past participation in our T4 Tech Talk, which we held it on 22nd March 2023. The traffic was tremendous and we were overwhelmed. Thank you. All right, guys, do you know the global ERP software market is expected to reach 78.41 billion USD by the year 2026, with a compound annual growth rate, the CAGR, of 12.2%. ASEAN countries are expected to grow at a CAGR of 7.4% from the year 2021 to the year 2026. This suggests that a significant proportion of companies, particularly the larger organization, it will be using ERP system to manage their business processes and data. Companies can expect an average ROI of 7.23 USD for every single dollar spent on ERP software. And the average ROI for an ERP system was 321% over 3 years. Great, right, guys? Yeah. This growth can be attributed to various factors, okay, that inclusive the increasing of adoption of the cloud-based ERP solutions, the growing demand for business intelligence and analytics tools, and as well as the needs, yeah, for efficient and integrated business processes. The adoption of ERP software varies across ASEAN countries, with some countries being early adopters, while others are still in the process of digital transformation. For example, Singapore, right? Singapore has high adoption rate of ERP software due to its status as a leading business hub, while other countries like Cambodia, Laos, they are still developing their digital infrastructure. The time it takes for an organization to see a positive ROI from an ERP system can also vary depending on several factors, such as the size of the organization, the scope of the implementation, and as well as the specific ERP solution that being implemented. Generally, it can take anywhere from 6 months to 3 years to see a positive ROI from an ERP system. Overall, the ERP software market in ASEAN's country is expected to continue growing in the coming years, driven by the increasing need for organizations to streamline their business process and improve their competitiveness in the global market. Ladies and gentlemen, in today's T4 Tech Talk series number 2, Automating the Intelligent, our ERP subject matters expertise, none other than Mr. Melvin Tan, is going to give wearable sharing and on the two how. The two important how, I guess you guys would like to know. The first how is how to the growing demand for business intelligence and as well as the analytic tools. And the second how is that the how to cater to efficient and integrated business processes. So ladies and gentlemen, be alert and pay your attention to the ERP cognitive processes which have been implanted within us at Titan 4. It took us 20 over years to construct and transform the cognitive processes into 11 series of our Tech Talk. And today, Mr. Melvin is going to share partly of that with you in just less than 1 hour. Stay with us, yeah? So without further ado, let us welcome Mr. Melvin Tan.
Hi everyone, welcome to series number 2, Automating the Intelligent. As an IT head, management team or board of director in a company using ERP system, or you are planning to acquire ERP technology to your company, you often face challenges on high operation costs for employees that handle daily repetitive tasks and yet encounter numerous of human error. You invested huge fund in system and technology, but the system unable to alert you what is the potential threat to the company, or unable to identify any new business opportunity in the market. When coming to integration with a third-party system, you always face challenges in tools and technology limitation that slow down the entire integration projects. Technology has rapidly transformed the way business operate across the world, enable businesses to automate repetitive tasks, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. From robot process automation and artificial intelligence to machine learning and chatbots, businesses are leveraging automation to streamline their operation and improve their bottom line. Automation has also enabled businesses to scale their operation rapidly, allow them to serve a growing customer without incurring significant costs. The impact of technology has been felt in various industries, including healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing, education, and entertainment. By embracing technology strategically, business can stay competitive and drive innovation while also creating value for their stakeholders and contribute to the greater goods. As technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, a company that fails to adopt technology will be falling from the market competitiveness and end up losing their market share. Now, let me introduce you 3 of the major automation technology that most companies strive for in a Tier 1 ERP software line. The first automation technology that I'm going to talk about is automating the AAA frameworks. AAA frameworks refers to alert, analytic, and action, which is a commonly used methodology in business management. By following the AAA frameworks, organizations can proactively identify and respond to issues, reduce risk, and optimize their operation. However, the traditional AAA frameworks require extensive time from knowledgeable users to extract data from multiple tables. And usually, users will require assistance from the IT expert to extract data and perform mapping from the backend database. Now, let's zoom into the first automated AAA framework technology. Firstly, users are required to build their personalized query from any application and convert it into a live watch list. Yes, you heard it correctly. It was a running watch list that retrieved live database from the backend, and it reflects any potential risk in the watch list, defined by the user with a threshold formula. And most importantly, such alert come with an email notification features, meaning to say you will receive risk notification directly to your mobile phone or email whenever you are or anytime. With the automated alert technology that I have just mentioned above, we were able to proceed with the second A, which was analyze. The technology of intelligent analyze features allow you to access the impacted order list with a pre-filtering function by simply clicking the live watch list or the hyperlink from your email notification. Yes, you heard it right again. System narrow down all the impacted data automatically for you, and this is all done in a single click. After looking into the automated alert and intelligent analysis features, we will now come to our last and most important step, which was the third A, action process. The technology I want to introduce here is called Springboard. Springboard allows you to define all the possible action plan and group all the required application into single screen. Then, the user will be able to navigate the respective application immediately by launching the application inside the Springboard. Ultimately, the automated AAA frameworks was designed with the primary objective of providing a unified screen interface, where user could perform all the necessary action seamlessly without having to navigate across multiple screens. Now, let's look into the second technology, which was orchestration with automated intelligence. Orchestration refers to the process of automating and coordinating complex business workflow, tasks, and processing using specialized tools and technology. It involves integration of the various system, application, and data source into a unified system to ensure the smooth operation and effective management of business processes. With orchestration, it enables business to streamline their business operation, reduce costs, improve productivity by automating the repetitive tasks, and freeing up human resource for more strategy initiative. Now, let me talk a little bit more detail about how orchestration can help to automate repetitive tasks. First, we will need to define and manage the workflow, which include the sequence of each task that need to be executed. For example, if I wish to automate a creation of sales order, I will need to define the application, the button, and the field that I want to input in a sequence. Orchestration platform will then coordinate the execution of these tasks across various applications, ensuring that they are executed in a correct order and dependency between tasks are satisfied. In cloud computing, orchestration is often used in automating the deployment, management of application and services across multiple cloud providers. Orchestration tools like Kubernetes, Docker Swarm, and Apache Mesos provides a platform for deploying and managing container and microservices, allowing administrators to easily scale and manage their infrastructure. Feeling excited about the automation process? This is not the end yet. On top of the general orchestrator technology, Titanfall have even adopted the skill to enhance orchestration solution to the next level, which we call it automation with intelligence. This intelligent technology not only coordinates the repetitive tasks, it can also help to write in human decision between each task to make immediate decision towards the next action plan. The third technology that I want to introduce here is automating integration with third-party system. When it comes to system integration, the first thing that came into our mind was data mapping issue, technical incompatibilities, security concern, performance issue, and also integration complexity. And usually this process will require involvement from multiple vendors to accomplish the integration goal. Titanfall have 21 years of integration experience with various systems, such as point of sale system, manufacturing robotics system, warehouse management system, payroll system, banking system, and many more. With the experience we have gathered throughout the business cooperation with all the market as professionals, we have developed a series of templates to ease the integration process with other systems, and most importantly, we support most of the integration methods in the market, such as flat file, web services, API, ETL, point-to-point integration, and middleware integration. In today's business world, technology is constantly evolving and upgrading. Each time your organization adopts a new system or new technology, you will require to go through repetitive integration project, and usually there will be lengthy of discussion required to get alignment from all parties. We fully understand the challenge you adopting a new system, especially when your company is expanding rapidly and require adoption of multiple new technology. Then more collaboration and alignment will be required for each of the upgrades. Titan 4 has spent extra mile to study the market needs and develop a series of integration mapping solutions for various platforms and industry. The templatized mapping solution by module are: number 1, connecting shop floor and QA/QC into plan to produce. Number 2, connecting quote to sales into order to cash for various CRM platform to any other ERP system. Number 3, request to source into procure to pay, for instance, sourcing module to procurement module. Number 4, expenses management into record to analysis report. Number 5, warehouse operation into supply chain management. Lastly, number 6, payment processing ecosystem, example, payment gateway, finance institution, and many more. By acquiring any in-house software or technology provided by Titan 4, you will be able to free up your mind on all the integration challenges and the requirement of collaborating with other vendors, because all the in-house software developed by Titan 4 will come with the automated integration features where all the integration was already mapped and ready for use. Overall, automation and technology can help companies build resilience in a volatile market by improving efficiency, flexibility, risk management, and transparency, while we also promoting sustainability and governance. Stay tuned for our Series 3, Accelerating Your Enterprise Resource Planning System with Speed. Back to you, Jade.
Ladies and gentlemen, do you find Mr. Melvin's sharing is insightful? Do you? Yeah. Drop your comment in the comment box. Yeah. Or, oh yeah, there are questions over here. All right, let's have a quick Q&A session, shall we? Let us invite our speaker for today, Mr. Melvin. Turn to the floor, Mr. Melvin.
Hey, hi, Jade.
Hey, hi.
Yeah,
All right, I think we have a question from the floor here, yeah, Mr. Melvin. I think we will only grab 3 questions. Is it okay? Because we are running out of time.
Sure.
So 3 questions from the floor. Okay, get the first one. Does it require any technical skill to build the integration, Mr. Melvin?
Okay, based on the integration tools that we have, basically we have a pre-built library. So basically what users need to do is they just drag and drop. That will create the integration. So technical skill, yes, required, but minimal. You need a minimal technical skill to do that. Yes.
See guys, just a minimal effort, yeah, you will have the integration. Okay, question number 2 over here. Let's check it out. Okay. Question number 2. We take this question, all right. How long it takes to configure a 3A framework?
How long?
Yeah,
okay.
how long?
Based on my experience, building a 3A framework, first we need to have an application, then we need to build a query. So that takes about 10 minutes. And the next A is the action. Action, usually we will use a Springboard. Springboard is the application that we will use to determine what is the action that we need to do. So once this action is all defined, so we just need to configure the application we'll do. So total up for the entire 3A framework setup is about 15 minutes.
15 minutes, guys. So you are trying to say that once we have the springboard, right?
Yep.
So it takes us only 15 minutes for the 3A, is it?
Yeah, for the 3A configuration.
So the first A is the alert. And the second one is the analytic. And the third A is the action.
Yeah,
all right. Okay, all right. Okay, one more last questions, guys, because we cannot cope for with all the questions over here. But if you have more inquiries, right, you can always write to us. Our email address is marketing@titan4.com. Or if you want to have a one-to-one session with Mr. Melvin or the rest of our expertise in the house, write to us, request it, and we will come to you. All right. And again, our email address is marketing@titan4.com. Okay, last question, Mr. Melvin over here. Let's see. Okay, this one. Can I build integration with devices? Yeah.
Okay, devices. Here I believe is talking about physical devices here. Okay, so based on our experience, we did build the integration with barcode scanner. Basically, this is used for the warehouse operation. Then we have linkage with CCTV for the attendance application.
Oh, the smart ESS, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, want to know more about smart ESS? You can refer to our products list. Okay. We also have linkage with mobile application. So, depending on what kind of a business operation that the customer is running. So, basically, the device linkage to the IoT devices, be able to do the integration.
Oh, as long as the devices come with IoT, we are able to do the integration,
Yes,
right?
you're right.
Okay, guys. All right, so that's the 3 questions. I hope we can do more, but we are running out of time. So thanks, Melvin. Thanks, Melvin. Oh yes, and one more, guys. I think about the AAA framework, the orchestration, as well as the templatized solutions. We are going to elaborate more on our upcoming series. Yeah, correct.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
For this, you can refer to our following series. So Series 6, Series 7, and Series 9 is talking about the orchestration, automation, and integration, and AAA framework in detail.
In detail, guys.
So if you're interested, so please follow our series and stay tuned.
Yes. All right. Thanks, Melvin. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we would love to deliver a certificate of attendance to you. So this is the QR code to scan, to fill up your information, and upon submitting this form to us, we will email to you your certificate of attendance. Also, if you continuously attend all of our 11 series, and by the end of our T4 Tech Talk season, we will deliver your certificate of completion to you. Ladies and gentlemen, we thank you for your continuous support. At Titan 4, we have intensified our passion for technology. We are always proactively committed to digitalization, digital innovation, and digital transformation. Titan 4 has awarded Top SME Company in the year 2013 with more than 80 professionals across ASEAN and Asia. We are Oracle certified partners, and we have worked with hundreds of local and global customers, including top GLCs, conglomerates, as well as SME companies. We achieve global accreditation from our customers, and with vast experience, it allows further expansion in the innovation space, which an open platform that connects a number of technologies to deliver core business value to our counterparts. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your precious time with us today. I hope we will see you in series number 3. Till then, take care and goodbye.